In this video, let us talk about one example related to time and work. Vaibhav and Praneeth together finished a task in 2 hours. So they got a task, they both worked together and they finished that in 2 hours. Whereas Vaibhav and Sachetan did the same task in 3 hours. So the same task if I give to Vaibhav and Sachetan, now they took 3 hours to finish it. If the same task is given to Sachetan and Praneeth, they took 4 hours to finish. So Vaibhav and Praneeth, they do the same task, they took 2 hours to finish, whereas Vaibhav and Sachetan took 3 hours. If Sachetan and Praneeth got the same task to do, they need 4 hours to complete that. Then, suppose if Vaibhav, Sachetan, Praneeth, all the three work together, then how much time it required to finish the task? So that's the question. Inputs are first three statements and the question is the fourth statement. So before knowing information about this, let's see some prerequisite examples to understand the situation very clearly. Imagine Abhinav can finish a task in 2 hours. That means in 1 hour, he can finish half of the task. That is well known to us. Overall, he is taking 2 hours to finish the task means imagine here the situation is ideal, uniformly they are working, we feel. In that case, in 1 hour, Abhinav can finish half of the task. So the reciprocal of the time is equal to work done per hour. Whereas Joseph can finish the same task in 5 hours. That means in 1 hour, he can finish 1/5 of the task. Reciprocal of 5 hours, 1/5 is the work done by Joseph per hour. Whereas Gupta can finish the same task in 7 hours. That means in 1 hour, he can finish 1/7 of the task. So in all these statements, examples, if you see, the time duration, the time taken to finish the task is reciprocal to fraction of the work done per hour by that respective person. So now let's go back to the actual question in which we have to find how much time all the three needed, means when they are working together, Vaibhav, Sachetan and Praneeth, if they all are working together, how much time it is required, how much time it is needed is our actual question. Now let us see about that. Let's consider Vaibhav takes V hours to finish the task. So I just took the first letter of the person as a variable to discuss about it. So which means he is taking V hours, then automatically the fraction of work done by Vaibhav in an hour is reciprocal of that, which means 1/V. Similarly, Sachetan takes S hours to finish the task, then automatically the fraction of work done by Sachetan in an hour is equal to 1/S. If you see fraction of work done by Vaibhav and Sachetan together in an hour, how can we represent that? This is the way. Fraction of work done by Vaibhav and Sachetan in an hour is equal to 1/V plus 1/S. So according to our known information, Vaibhav and Praneeth took 2 hours to finish the task. And just like earlier statement, how I mentioned, Vaibhav and Sachetan will do 1/V plus 1/S work in 1 hour. Similarly, if I write for Vaibhav and Praneeth, as they are taking 2 hours to finish that, 1/V plus 1/P is equal to 1/2. Because they are taking 2 hours together, so automatically 1/2 is the work done by both of them together if they work. That I am taking as equation 1. Now if Vaibhav and Sachetan work together, time taken by them is 3 hours. So automatically, if you write that as an equation, 1/V plus 1/S is equal to 1/3, that is equation 2. If Sachetan and Praneeth work together, the time taken by them is 4 hours. This is from the given information only, all these three. Then automatically, we can write it as 1/S plus 1/P is equal to 1/4. So these are the three statements we got. And from these three statements, we got three equations. Now I'm going to add all these three equations. If all of them work together, equation 1 plus equation 2 plus equation 3, we get in this way. And now I don't want 2 times of that, because if you add all the three equations, 1/V is twice, 1/S is twice, 1/P is twice. I took 2 common and I've written like this. Now in the next step, what I'll do is I'll transpose 2 to the other side. Then we get 1 by V plus 1 by S plus 1 by P is equal to half of the same RHS will come down again. Now if I simplify that within the bracket, I'll get in this way. Now further, if I simplify, this is my result. So from this, we can understand if Vaibhav, Sachetan and Praneeth, if all they work together, this is the value. 1 by 13 by 24 is the value we get, which means 13 by 24 part of the work or fraction of the work will complete in 1 hour if all the three work together. Then automatically the reciprocal of this is the time taken to finish the task by all the three friends. So automatically time taken by all the three friends, Vaibhav, Sachetan and Praneeth, if they work together is 24 by 13 hours. Hope you understood this concept very well. Thanks for watching.